Jamaican man shot and killed in a bizarre Dunkin' Donuts confrontation. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. People, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. It will be greatly appreciated. So viewers and subscribers, as I said before, a Jamaican man was shot and killed after a bizarre confrontation inside of a Dunkin's Donut restaurant. So people, I'm reading an article from the New York Post. And this, people, just goes to show you, so sometimes I know which part today that I go determine if you get killed by a gun or not. Because most people leave Jamaica and come to America, and because crime and violence in Jamaica high. But crime and violence is everywhere, people, and this is just another reminder of senseless killings can happen anywhere. So it goes on to say, a man shot after an argument inside a Bronx Dunkin' Donuts was a recent immigrant from Jamaica working to support his mother and sisters back home, family members told the New York Post. Stephen Stewart, 24, was found unconscious with a gunshot wound to his midsection at 3559 Holland Avenue after a heated exchange with a woman inside the eatery spilled out onto the street, police said. He always be the one to carry the peace. Most of the family is devastated. He's just that person. His aunt, who did not give her name, said in an interview, "I don't know why anybody would do this to him over a simple issue that didn't call for somebody losing their life." Stewart had come to the United States just 3 months ago, his family said. He worked at Cool Runnings Jamaica restaurant on Nereid Avenue, where co-workers said he was always dancing. He was a very jovial guy, hardworking. He's been here like 3 weeks, said one person at the restaurant who declined to give his name. We are all so traumatized. Stewart and a companion left the Dunkin' Friday after the woman became irate that they had been standing too close to her, with one of the men not wearing a mask, police sources said. The woman allegedly followed and threatened to get her boyfriend, Stewart's friend said. A man showed up moments later and told the woman to get my shit, said the pal, who said he ran while Stewart stayed behind. When the friend came back to the scene, Stewart was dead, according to his friend. Stewart was not even involved in the dispute, a Dunkin' Donuts worker said. She was just arguing for no reason. He was just there. That's it, just listening, said the employee, who did not want to be named. He shot the wrong guy. You hear that, people? Do you hear what really happened? A little confrontation over mask standing too close, and the Dunkin' Donuts worker said the man wasn't even involved in the argument. The person shot the wrong somebody. So all this man did was left Jamaica, came to America, as most Jamaicans do, try to better themselves, get a better life. Try to help mommy, try to help sister. And look at that, the man dead. Killed the man for absolutely no reason. May I tell you, people, mankind can be so cruel and evil. He left his family and friends in Jamaica only to come over here trying to better himself and got killed. It's just very sad and unfortunate. My condolences goes out to his family and friends and loved ones, people. Just a very senseless killing. And I hope them catch who is responsible for this. The woman forget lock up, the man forget lock up, and dash with the key, people. It's just heartbreaking that this man had to lose his life just over some senseless argument. So people, I'm going reading a few comments on what people are saying about this on Instagram. One person goes on to say, mental illness goes undetected in so many of us until it's too late. Rest in peace, young man. I hope his family will get justice and find comfort. Another person goes on to say, no, say this isn't real. Then this could have real. Jesus Christ. Another person goes on to say, I wonder how she feel in herself knowing that she caused the man death. Kiss me teeth. So people I kill people just for standing beside them, shaking my head. I pray justice is served. Another person goes on to say, some man a real idiot. If a man a look my woman, may I stay one side and watch how she respond. People must can interact with each other. Yeah, people, it's just a very sad and unfortunate situation. Man just reach a foreign, people. Just there, I think he escape and I go try better himself. And look at that. Now the family in Jamaica have to go bury their loved one. I tell you, I hope justice is served, people. I hope justice is served and them catch who is responsible for this. All right. If I get any more updates, people, I will making a note as usual. Bless up yourself from Yard and Abroad TV. Much love. Bless up.